This drink will help you to eliminate knee and joint pain. Welcome to Healthy Bodies. We provide daily videos on a wide range of health topics. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you will never miss any of our updates. In today's video we look at knee and joint pain. We discuss a home remedy that is great to treat the condition, and explain how to make it. Knee pain is a common complaint that affects people of all ages. Knee pain can occur for several reasons. It may be the result of an injury, such as a ruptured ligament or torn cartilage. Perhaps excessive use, for example, too much sport. Or other medical conditions, such as arthritis, gout or infection. Many people also assume knee or joint pain is often due to aging. Because of this, they do not always seek any treatment. This is not always wise, since when the body is in pain, it experiences stress. Also, untreated knee or joint pain can cause longer-term damage. Fortunately, many types of minor knee and joint pain respond well to self-care measures. Natural remedies are available and can really help. They can sometimes remove the pain in just a few days. A known cause of knee and joint pain is often vitamin deficiency. So what vitamins and minerals are important and can help? Vitamin D. Vitamin D helps regulate the amount of calcium and phosphate in the body. These nutrients are needed to keep bones, teeth and muscles healthy. A lack of vitamin D can lead to bone deformities, such as rickets in children, and bone pain, caused by a condition called osteomalacia in adults. Vitamin D plays a significant role in the regulation of calcium and phosphorus levels in the blood. These factors are vital for maintaining healthy bones. Calcium. Your body needs calcium to build and maintain strong bones. Magnesium. Magnesium is important for bone formation. It helps assimilate calcium into the bone. Magnesium is associated with greater bone density, and a lower risk of osteoporosis in women after menopause. Bromelain. Bromelain is a mixture of enzymes, derived from the pineapple fruit or stem. Bromelain may help reduce inflammation and heal wounds. Silicon. Silicon can increase bone strength when obtained from foods. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a strong antioxidant that can strengthen your body's natural defenses. Antioxidants are molecules that boost the immune system. They protect cells from harmful molecules called free radicals. Vitamin C can also help fight gout. Gout is a type of arthritis that affects many adults. It is incredibly painful and involves inflammation of the joints, especially those of the big toes. Gout symptoms appear when there is too much uric acid in the blood. Uric acid is a waste product produced by the body. Vitamin C can help reduce uric acid in the blood, and, therefore, protect against gout attack. So why not try the following drink, if you are suffering from knee or joint pain? A smoothie made from pineapple, orange juice, banana and ginger. It is a highly effective natural remedy in treating knee and joint pain. This smoothie contains all the essential vitamin and minerals just mentioned. Pineapple contains a high amount of bromelain, which is an anti-inflammatory, as well as calcium, magnesium and vitamin C. Fortified orange juice contains calcium, vitamins D and C and magnesium. Banana contains, amongst other things, silicon. Ginger adds the final touch. The unique fragrance and flavor of ginger come from its natural oils, the most important of which is gingerol. Gingerol has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It can therefore help greatly with joint pain, stiffness and inflammation. When these are all combined, you have a powerful home remedy. To make the smoothie, you will need 2 cups of diced pineapple, 1 cup of oats, 1 chopped banana, 3 cups of water, 1 cup of fortified orange juice, 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger, 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Directions: add the water and oats into a saucepan and allow to cook for a few minutes. Once the oats are cooked, allow them to cool down. Place the orange juice, oats, ginger, pineapple, banana and honey into a blender. Mix all the ingredients together. You can add extra water as required, should you desire a thinner smoothie. For best results, it is recommended to drink this smoothie on a daily basis. After 5 days of consuming this drink, you should notice some relief from any knee or joint pain. However, if you continue to experience these pains, you should always seek medical attention. We hope you found this information useful. If you liked this video, please hit that like button. Also, if you would like to see any videos in particular, please comment below. We have many similar videos being released shortly. So please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you will catch all the latest updates.